Adom 106.3.
Hallelujah. Bless your name, Jesus, for who you are. Hey.
After me yam rana fe yam fan kwa krata na ne yam money ti pew. When I have a Communal Green Street to Tim and Kamachi. Yes, I'll hear pa. I'm in Kao. CP before you know one woman some found. Said the TV, I will hold. That's it. Your pelsa, you need pound of fat.
And CP no over can hold away.
That's it.
CP no back can hold away. Yeah, pelsa. Only for. Oh, yeah, dive off. Only for.
Oh, me, just on your home.
When you say, I've against you crying, Omuji no, and my leadership no cry no, Nanka Mumunim. Because science way young who will be any annual. Say, where did them? Where did he them? A be any annual. Where did he them? And Tina, yes, I will be Cassa. Yes,
far what be Sankoya this year or royal family be more and going to mean one catch it out. Yes, before we ain't going to see Aga. You will be full backbone, you're free hoppe. No, be asking a papa.
Yeah, quite people so be for. Yeah, the Ghanaian Times Sebesha see and nano pay. Na him for Cassim, you are one mayimo. Kentene dear. Wager I said, I mean, and Nora can dampen inform me and Sano, won't to goose one. What tomb for dear, and or chicken a dear. And ran yagro, a bushia fa was the effect. Near Quaswono. The one crate way ya backwasem, ye didn't come muaba. I want him for Cassim ye nua, none nipper bishes say, and Tawan Tawa want him. Nurse 2 kingdoms. Watching him was such a form wait here for a penny. When ya sante him when she mono, was he a bamia trabacosem say, Nippam ye nua a bean should say on bet me at yabum. Enra watena se edidie mu a wadidi ekitaudie mu abaso bibia eti na wunya Ghanaian Times ani moda ho na minister ye de ko zonwo na anu adai zonwo minister ofri information no ko zonwo Mustafa Hamid say ministry no ade amano no wo be mankremofo nyina sua de zonwo sufo nyina da wo so di school best san zonwo obi ani hono mo a wo firi zonwo a ade a tia nkwade ko suku obemu atena fie
ade aye ne se won ko suku no ho anu mbi no moto afiri zongo ho won ko suku no wi a won tena zongo nim won fa na hom tumpon na men ko suku no zongo ho wi na won tun ko tena islego
o say obema obi oti ho bia ko school yes o wi abetena
ade am pen say ye mana kwete say zongo no ye bibibia
o chire wa no abetena ho
men pesa asa ye bilete wo mo so
evio ntini
Mustafa for anti zongo
oh bebre onu ka no
zongo is part of Ghana. Zongo is part of Nkran. Nima is part of Accra.
Yeah, but a fact and so say inner cities now zongos na eka ho no. A fact say bebre na underdeveloped.
Then you must Nkran you see develop change.
Yes.
Inner city be one Nkran develop here. The same person or catch that was say politicians Korea 1 year sir.
Enu nti na mpanimfo so mo bi gab no.
Na say ukoyi ho kwan nanka.
There should be a deliberate way to develop
that deliberate attempt na yanka say is Legon.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I'm a inner city. No, I think the same deliberate attempt. No, can I hold that can hona yepe?
Enti minister say, Obi Jai Kate.
Why say they jana to woman? I say, I feel no catch him say,
no, a simplistic view. It's a simplistic view.
I don't think enjoy is Legon 20 and Nima. Na fe ya ka chese nima ye zongo ti afa na sese
pa no twa no abayi si wo bridge gap no nti odi zongo ministry aba
I understand you. You are never the go on nima they ain't about first.
Yeah.
Which one came?
Whichever came.
No. Who show
Oba wo je
the go on nima they ain't about first.
And you are telling me say obabi we invest won't transfer school fees because of no two din out of fees. Show me na pepepe.
Money me be twa asem we to. Minister ne say say obema o mako school aban so so bridge gap no say wa mo kire wo
Southern Ghana and Northern Ghana say we were part of Ghana but there was a deliberate attempt
by the politician not to develop those areas.
No.
The common fund the northern region. Check it. I'm telling you, it's a deliberate attempt by the African politician not to develop certain parts.
No.
Of Africa. The common fund a northern part of Ghana.
Captain.
Region no ya de ne kese na echa common fund no ne assembly no ya de kese na echa na say
the Ghanaian politician from Nkrumah and started a deliberate process to bridge the development gap. And the colonial relic in the colonial masters no deliberately a gap never. The Ghanaian politician has started a process rather to bridge the gap.
And the year day.
And the year they saying.
And the year day.
And as always,
one the development which is not true.
That's a bro in the status or bridge gap. No. Kwame Nkrumah parts on bridge gap no. And then a kakwem.
And kakwem was saying.
And see a bridge gap na win.
No, that's a process.
The process bro fu enu nja kamode da here no. Bibia okrom ha bia process da be na process no be end na de na ye papada. Oh, muma yenye free.
Into process. Attempt to be any hose sa gap na be bridge.
Oh. Attempt
to be I think so because ko check common fund no.
Common fund I dey.
Common fund. Dia so ne gina share common fund no ka
ten na yemfa formula and share.
Common fund no nya
say
e be ye den na yemfa formula proposing and fan share. You want to bridge a gap.
Yes.
And the other formula na share say how dey free how ba share dan so. Yes sir. Ticket one and sanko.
Yeah, kase ni free ho ba na say ye hwe population no e wo no.
Captain, beyond person what try me say, common fund is the only intervention in the north and is that your argument? No maybe. Person says the common fund penny the only intervention in the north.
Say dey northern Ghana.
Yes.
Shem dey hwe manakosi ase pain. Number one.
No but no
Ghana nyina na say northern Ghana.
I don't understand you, Captain. Who do you blame? Who do you blame?
When are you blaming the people? What are you saying?
No, that's sad. When the intervention e buy, na nkofo bi na da no. Da bi o, enye nkofo bi na da no. Captain. What did you say? Nkofo bi na da no. No, answer question. Enye nkofo bi na da no.
Bibia wa Ghana have you be da no?
Yes,
but it depends on the influence of the person who appointed you to be da no.
Abisha for ya the Ghanaian Times no to so na ya kwayanim setiefo beka ya be na wotwenie na mpanimfo de betu dwa say small scale mining no cutting small scale mining no ya lift ban no by December ni ya lift ban no na wani a wotu nsasimu sade nkumankuma ne say aban masam no amobeka ye no lack clarity nti momra bonten na mmachirim Samoka so ya the road map to ho by December be lift banner. O mo si road map no no ne de en. Mo ma kire o mu say ye fa tuobodom na akọ say ye fa hin na akọ. Mo ma kire say road map ni nie mu be yese na mo be ka no yo so ya the road map ba by December be ye free one mo a mo nka hwe. Kofi anan so mo anam si yensie ne Ghana na entumi nya abakosem no abusua ne se Ghana na yebesie no busumuru yebesie ne Ghana omuso omaje omode hye na emom ba bi yebesie no no me emeye ho basa asem no an Ghanaian Times
hye so abusua ne de beba no obekwa yie ni bia de so
ai omo bi ankwatwa ntuma
fa won say yi ase yema posifo discipline wo mo
no say nhye sasan
na nhye bia abusua de beba
sasan
ye de bes ye yie no on say pa kwese bi sata abusua for de nhye ba
yes
ukwa no wadi so se ka tro se be mfa camera nko ho amemfa nko
oh okay
when the so a ye discipline
ayo eni a daily guide so enie daily guide so mampani dada John Dramani Mahama no se wasa babiem wasi ababio se Ghana for mumfra na ababio wonnie amanfo de no ma en wo beba no ma wasi ba wo ben no opesa moti ase ne se ye de adwuma hye ne nsa se bonya ne Ghana adwuma no wanwie wo hu se wo yeduru baabi na Ghana fo ntena se no so okay mo de asa mo ntemase a mo nkoso ne ose mo meso ne hwe no mo nkoso ne donhwe na ya mo ntoa so wo se Ghana fo su oh John say na wo ye say na wo yo nti sabra enu nti no se wo ba na ne wanwie no wa ba beto aso enti na daily guide say enura mampani dada mama wɔde ne susuye sɛ ɔbɛsan ya babio no wɔde akɔto NDC amanyɔkuo no mpanimfoɔ anim ya wɔ kyerɛ mo so wɔbɛsan babio na SP na kyerɛ senior prefect pa wɔ ma Ghana mu papa yi Martina Midu citizen vigilante ɛne wɔde bɛto udwa sɛ wɔyɛ n'adwuma o special prosecutor ɔhɔ no mo ana we yaba me pakyɛw ayarga ka no a wɔkra ya kyerɛ ka no baabi ɛnam amfa yie no yɛserew manya hwehwɛmu bia wo mfa kyɛ ayarga ɛna SP kyerɛ sɛ wabɛkeka saa yɛsɛ ayarga bɛyia no ayarga sɛ papa wobɛyɛ w'adwuma na ho ba ye yɛnhu ne awu yɛ bia eti sɛ me me na wo pɛ sɛ ɔde megye fans no wɔse hyɛ adwuma no ase ne yɛnhu sɛ ɔde ɔso bɛfrɛ no a he's ever ready ɔyɛ ready sɛ mo frɛ no a wɔbɛba Ivokobna Green Street flag bearer CPP 2016 ansasa 2016 elections no mu ɛne waba abɔnten wɔse abankin so soma na babem baabi a wo bia bɛpa kyɛw efisɛ sie ka dem di a obi ada tumi di dem wɔno sɛ ne wɔgyina ne naso o lawyer ni mapa ne wɔgyina ne naso akwanhyia nti ɛna nnɛ wɔte kyɛ mu etu wɔse wasɛm a kan sɛ wo kan yɛ de a ɛne brabonte Ghana fo nyina atwan wo bɛpa kyɛw ntɛntɛntɛntɛm wɔkuni ne daily graphic so say eniema na ayɛ sɛ o na wei ntinuahye wɔ asante ɛne akyem ntam no wɔse pa no otwa no ni nyinaa ne makye no ɛnura kyɛ sɛ ɛne esiye ɛwɔ ofoipani fie no kyɛ sɛ asante ne akyem entawantawa bie nim Professor Manteso na abai captain na sɛ baako no wawie na adwuma no
owie na adwuma na ase na ho dodo no kakra
Mate no
Dabi we ye omenyo Professor Omenyo ono oba ye no na adwuma no yade san nti mpanimfo se omsan akɔto abe another prof president for prof pa
professors pa
omo professors pa nti Professor Mante en waba we ni din no nka ne baako no ya akɔse
baako no ye mate
mate enyansafo mo wahi o eno no ye mate ena we oba wa to bomb
we ye mante
we oba wa kasa
oh dabi
yo ye be hwe we so ne
Maliko Amano mene honorable Eric Opoku former Bronga Half regional minister Embo Enkomo. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
Na bibia eboko de
Yami Adom boko captain ni ana.
Mpacho ane.
Hey, if you da me share ya che o. So
Meji o bi ana wakra.
Wakra.
Oh, okay. Enra mete won kan wasempa na oni obi ebon komo nam si o. Nkomo na mo bo na ye me de. Na mpese me no to aso enne. Se ma san kofa obi kura sa betra me nchen wo studio ha obi chia honorable.
Honorable apo mo ye de. Obi ho ye o na mo se.
Na me ado we abo.
Ho ye pa. Ye jo sododo. Na senior Brandon Ben ambetimi a rebrand John Dramani Mahama for 2020 no wasabe president.
Yo, they be kai medawase captain and Jimmy mo ho nyina. Captain what mo say? E wi asimu experience there. E hiasin bibia. Because the teacher you know say the best teacher in this world needing the experience. Na ora mamai Sagana amamu pano ope obi a wo experience wo ma me manfonyi kakra bi no ahade Bob MPP ni NDC nyina no obi a nyame de na fa amamu onum de anweno de ademu bibia bedu ne no obi ani du John Dramani Mahama why MP enfie dumienu because why member of parliament is automatically no your assembly member. In the assembly, you say, why a deputy minister? Why a substantive minister? Why a vice president? Why a president? You say, "Mami Busumin here." And so, why a president and Qatar? What do you come your way in fear nine? And what contest election? I lose you. One nante and what she say. Now, Obiaso nante. Now we are here, Captain Man. So what's sorry now nante? 190 years abaya wo hwase bio aname boa
Sana mpaninka.
That experience we yamaimu ebi ni omaimu babia. Na nyame wanya sansie no kwa. When sie owura no just on sie but sie no for something specific for this country. And that is why you want GBM a percent. Obi a wedi o mampanyini. Na wa lose election. Ahobrasie mu wa hand over. Na wa tranche. Na omanfo pressure ye wura sign bra. Na wa se meba no. The authority Ghana mampanyina. One man tell here ase ene niam amabo bosumu nyina experience no. So the husu hunu etwa amamuo so a na mamuo no ebe ka behwe a ebi ma omaimu de biarada. Na odi akonwa no nso kura no. Odi ani so odi hunu esi na ni so. Ehye nioma bebrase a. Sabe na ye nua no opposition a. No mo kasatia dendenden. Ba enei a ofura akonwa so yi. Ena no me he WhatsApp dem hu abrantia kakraka bi. Ana wo sombo kakraka bi. Ena wo se owura jomama. Obu oni o kan ena ye nti. Nti ye gidi ma percent. Sa wo hwe ehihia owura no ye no oman yi mu. Ena wo hwe tania na ho brase ne kasa ene ni bibia atie. Ene se omampanyina wadi Ghana akonwa na wa lose election. Na wa hand over. Na wa sa ba se Ghana for monsa ma me opportunity bio na me san sumbio no. Ha ni bio kra wo dia ma the voter population of this country no. I just say yo nipa abamika bikwaso ya tadi tumi mana obeye amamuo no ama Ghana man aye krabehe. Now this say rebranding. Ora jomama sabim pradiasa. Obi a oni no e na osi mimi no. Na Captain Smith, ya kasa nei Ghana politics. The Yesu Christo kraba asasi so no. We na dwen say obeye Ghana politics a. And here the and some part ho amwaye tutu. Because we need to say owura jomama sanya politics pa. Kabeye dene. Ebeye nwanwa. Se nipa ebetumi adidi na tem aka nsema pa no ho sanya ya keken. Because na ho brase de na wo se o tan okodu a na wa yi ni America na se president mama pa se ni osikura na me se be on kasa eni di obi atami ade no Ghana man nyina edi ho adanse na adwuma odisi na ni so no captain ebi ne sai owura mama di finani so se obeboa ama oman infrastructure aya hospital sem ya twaisem yansio sem yankania sem no wa baimu ama edimu sanya beya obi a obeba oman mu bia no ebelu za Ghana man yatimi akoyanim na oman bia be di yie nso a tanyoma wei ene ma oman no edi yie ye kasai okodra botima mu na ye yu mampanyin sanya yayi owura Trump no ewo US na enya afa no okodwen so okoye kwan enya afa no okodwen so okoye nsuo enya afa no okodwen so okoye nkane a enya afa no okodwen so okoye hospital where your facilities are ya provide adequately ewo honoma na obe yo mampanyina o hwehwe awo ya no so be maintain the kama na se hia so de from akoma akubika ho a o di aka ho because ewo honoma kama yen ye nim no saa hwe menchira ohwe no captain and now one kasa but when you go to international airport now through her because say terminal 3 na owura mama sha asie no e wo hene na he say what do we need ko he sa terminal 3 no na ko gina wiase ba bia hwe awo airport na fa terminal 3 ka kreya to ho say anya bia ni nyina no enso so ye bi wo mu ana na terminal 3 no eno kwa posika di beba oman we mu no eye airport ho no facilities the wo no sika di beba oman we mu eni ni pe be ye adwuma ho no enye enipa ketwa eno eda nchen ya owura dwa tata ya maimu ya hospital samson ya na sitie ena wa fo ni college go ko university hospital owura mama ye no ho che designs a egu ho hwɛ mfidi ahodoɔ a egu hɔ saa nneɛma wei no na kɔ range fa w'ani kɔyɛ sɛ wodu range na captain smart wode wo nsa kyerɛ sɛ Ghana yɛsɛ hospital ne range wei a waa w'ani nyi anaa hwɛ police hospital expansion hwɛ hospital kɛseɛ ɛkɔduru Kumasi Krom ɛyɛ second 37 military hospital a owura Jomama ɛyɛ no wɔ hɔnom na ɔkɔhwɛ adan a yɛasɛ gu afɛri ɛne nneɛma a egu hɔnom a yɛde yɛ hospital na wokɔ Tawia wokɔ Kumawu wokɔ Nkro no so kyɛ sɛ wonam Ghana ha kyɛ sɛ naa ne yɛ Central Region polyclinics nko a owura mama yɛyɛ ɛmaako du afei nea yɛbiebie ano saa facilities a wɔyɛ nyinaa no na n'ani da so no sɛ sɛ yɛwɔ polyclinics maako edu wɔ Central Region yɛwɔ regional hospital yɛwɔ cheap compounds na afei sɛ ɔkuta health insurance card a woyare a wobɛnya baabi a asɛse facility no ɛnya baabi akɔhwɛ apɔmudɛ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa bebree wɔ hɔ koraa yɛnyie yɛ a abra no kasa yi aka sɛ nka wobɛtumi atoa so na yɛwie a aka kwan mfimfini akwan ahodoɔ a yɛwura mahama ɛsɔ mu a ɔyɛ nɔɔma mu sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yɛakɔnea bɛdie ɛbɛyɛ kama nkurase akwan a ɔde koko sika ɛde maa contract maako ahanu ɛne akyire sɛ yɛmfese koko nkurase akwan saa akwan wei nyinaa no ebi wɔ hɔ a yɛyɛ 95%, ebi yɛ 90%, ebi yɛ 80%, ebi kora yɛ 20%. Saa akwan no nyinaa ban wei baeɛ no ɔse stop work mehwehwɛ akwan no mu nti mayi auditors a monkɔhwɛ akwan no nyinaa na momɛbɔ me amanneɛ afe mfie mmienu ɛne ɛkɔ yi akwan no contractors nkɔɔ ho nsuo tɔ nsuo tie no akwan na deteriorate further ama de odua bɔɔde a nkɔde bɔɔde no bɛba krokesie mu abɛtɔn na wɔn nso anya ho sika no ɛnɛ ontimfa no bɔɔde ma nea ne kura ase hɔ asopiti ɛni hɔ na wɔyare a nkakwan no ebɛtumi nafa so ɛde ba asopiti no ɛnɛ wɔyare a yɛsɛ yɛtwa berɛ ɛne yɛde abɔ bɛdɛ ɛne yɛde ɔdasani atum ɛne yɛde naba abɛduru hɔ no ɛnɛ koko akuafo a aban no atɔ fertilizer ɛde ma wɔn bu wɔn mfuo so free na wɔn nso na baeɛ na kɔ soro no ɛnɛ fertilizer no yɛsɛ yɛtɔn ama no.
Okay, honorable when you see nneɛma a wayɛ nyinaa mu no sɛ wohwɛ the electoral analysis a Ghana for yɛde to aba na it was not say Mahama nyɛ hwee obiara di n'ani ahu Kotoka International Airport the ebebia no 2nd October yi obiara nim sɛ ne mmerɛ so a obiara nim sɛ Osi Bank Hospital Legondie obiara nim sɛ Kaswa Interchange Secretary akwan ɔyɛ school dan osisi obiara nim sɛ ɔyɛ bibi but one critical thing a Ghana for gina so de to abati ɔmampani Dada Mahama ne sɛ na amembuo no corruption wom but na onka ho hwee
yo I am in the Sawa Bisa Sassy way. Sir, okay, na amembuo corruption wom na onka ho hwee kɔ adua yɛde bɔɔ no a ɛno gye na kyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ no ka atoro no a yɛdi gu owura mama so no owura mama asɛm bia ɛba na brɛ so a ne fa corruption kata ahyɛ ɛne pɔyɛ mu no ɔma yɛ hwehwɛ mu nea wɔsɛ ɛkɔ court nea ɛwɔ sɛ ɛkɔ public accounts committee sɛ deɛ mmara no hyɛ na ɔmo yɛ hukuma no ebia ɛkɔɛ bibia ni wɔ si owura mama pɛn so a wobɛtia ka sɛ hwehwɛ mu da adi a na ɛma nyinaso a ɔmampanyin mama wantu ho anamɔnda but yɛpɛnti owura yi black ya ma na obi kura tumi ka sɛ wokɔ aya mahama fi akɛse egugu hɔnom sɛ mama kura wɔ ni dan wɔ Dubai hɔ saa nneɛma wɔ nyinaa no ɛna with time no ama ni nyinaa hunu sɛ owura no ɛnyɛ saa koraa na owura no wɔteɛ na wonim amemmuo no mu bi da wasanko okasanko na opa amemmuo mu na obebu amemmuo no bia ɛna wo nso so hunu sɛ ye saa amemmuo yi sɛ ne nafom ye wo gidie papa sɛ Ghana man including wo Captain Smith Smart ɛne mo journalist ɛka ho nyinaa no obiara saa brɛ no esan de na amanfo kike bi e ma ni nya that impression no enne ya ofra konya so kotran chen obi amu ya sa asema no ya kapa papa no no se na no kwa bi anya dai enim enu nti anye wonyina so ma pa se ya de no ba biewu a obanwene awene kakaka efisa nia ekoso enne amamuo we se mu no obi a wotinchen bia nim se owura mama amamuo ndie na ye number 1
and into the nature say corruption allegation no enya de e wo ho
na corruption allegation wo ankasa cheba ko a well did you say yes Ameri eye anyina monkania ayi a afidia NDC kotoba ni omo position no onse owura mama abomu kro no enti enye papa omo ba kro no wom ye betwam omo se afidie no kwa kotoba si ho no na ne bo pa o sanka ye 220 million enti omo ba omo be na afidie no ya de bo ri bia ka ho a omo yi afi so emebo na timi agyina de na agyina pepepe but afidie no wo hyehyɛ no tabra na ye wo dumso na kanea no nso no enda Ghana man anda owura mama yene Ameri ayen hyehyɛ eno ma to afidie e dia besi emamu eso kanea na mayen na eho ka ye betua nyina no emfienum eye 510 million ye tua wi a afidie no abeye Ghana man ye dia ye se ta afidie no ye wie ne ye ye nton ka be so ye kanea free ye be ti kanea bo so mankofo a ye nya ye dia and I tell you, no, say, Nibo 510, no, chrono ya day, ewu. In Trumba Diaconia, on the head, no more you chrono, efimu. Na, Oma Mobia will say, Oram Hammer, a bo chrono, ever Ameri. On the Diaconia, Ampa, Omati committee, Oma Yashe, Ama Merino, Oma the deal for Eba. Oma the deal for no buyer. The for no tran say, oh, Amerino. Enfienu na ye hyehyɛ no ye tua akodu enfienu ne fa dan enfienu ne fa sika aka no oma kopa nipa fofora o metua sika aka no ma Ameri na Ameri mfirimu nkɔ na nipa no fa ye fidie no a enka aka enfienu ne fa na aye dia no onfa ni mfie dunu na emfie dunu no afi bia Ghana betua $75 million e dia ma no na ke so kabo mu a emfie dunum no Ghana betua over $1 billion and ediama $1 billion and ediama enipa foforo no na no na capitalism e o copy one class one na go bi zankwala no say dan konta mienu bia he na yan konta papa captain one so ka be ka say
Honorable Bagbin or penipa o mo party mo or say mimi yi anu bi enye
and then we are journalists. I want to watch your economic.
Debian, who question the Miniano? I can I yes, Sunyani has 70 means me bottom. Now, I'll say, we shall win in China. I am Qualanketing Ketting. No, do on the Dinachi. Babra Nam penny for a war. And Qualano Moko, an ombesaba, an omwinging. Yo, dear. Medical can't just say, media, and some no. Metis almost say, Honorable Baby in the car, you know. Minini, you, Captain Minini, number 2 coin. You will do, I dear Bakin Rano. If it's an Honorable Baby, or a seasoned politician. After Parliament since 1992, or Kawamwa, actually 1992 Constitution only. Now, you didn't know me in the answer. Uncle Can't be say, Bida. And you buy a metis almost say, Honorable Baby na cancer no magem say e bia na won kai twato so because in every political party we hear empanimfo wo ana we hear empada wo because juma empanimfo ndatun aye no enye say juma na nkwala so betun aye dey aye ena de nkwala no so betun aye no enye no na empanimfo no so betun aye dey aye enti say o pesa o ya fra bera now see what the Kwalana ye. You would do the win here to Kwalana. Now back over my Deputy Chief of Staff, Honorable Japan, what is this? On your branch here.
That's why you're not Cabo, on your minister, on your branch here. The blow of them. Thousand of Mama parents also. Now, Kakra said, you are running to Nankasa Kra. On Yamina Soma, 1992 Constitution, ya. Yet, your Constitution and democracy. Obedi Ghana, Koyano, didn't you say? Sabrano, you are coming out Hoimo, and I saw her to be Quachamo. I almost saw PNDC, a year Juma, Sana Kakra, my democracy, every year in DC, every time no more did you say. Now, on no honorable SK Babe. And then Okasano, Sabrano about Parliament, and what did you say? And now I am on the majority that what did you say? Minia, yes, Christo Cry, we are seeing our Yajin Quano. What did you say? What did you say was that he's 33 years, but he's the savior of the world. And then we are seeing French, France, I'm a president, what did you say? Macron, what did you say? Canadian Prime Minister, what did you say? Now, Barbara, some of our Canada was in there, dear Chileno. On Yamiso, she and Hong Kong, Abu, Manka and Mabaso. No matter Juma Cassia, now the Niswa Duhunu, and so Adom, Kokra, and Nemerawa. And if you be obeying, now I take it back. Now or Champoliano Mofa, Munya say, Tanya Jumano Bede, Ebe. And to Yara Mahama, and I'm Dicacano. That Obey a Panibina or say, Yara Mama and Tina and coordinate well. One Nante, Wafiase. And then, oh, sorry, I was sorry, you know. That on them copra, ever cat, you also on them copra, on him rantier, ever yet, on him rantier. Can you be ya? That experience when you were mono, meaning Ababwa, Ama Ayema.
Yo, I found out grown a house here, Tino, me and Dawase. Na, you be shitty.
Yes, that was a captain.
So that's Papa. I know where we could poke your former wrong. I have for original minister. The Dimpa, yeah, the cash logo. And the dear Wadakem.
The cash logo.
Cash logo, yeah. On the logo, yeah, cash. Who can people my wallet cash?
Yes.
Cash man, cash logo.
Some call it chief, no.
Cash logo. On na content a pro one seat.
Some call ya brandy.
That's what I found no phone.
Na content. But obi be ye adwuma na wie wo asempa. So ayati no pa. I want to me makacho say na mentantie wie politics. Obi intimity. Ti bo modiana ende ewie bo modiana tie no. O say interview on na shase o, shase nura. Nam say I am there. Mfamra. Na jaminsa. Ene obesa benda na.
David. Ene di oni so. But the comeback of JM no so asemo.
True. We say wabre to abani wie no ninnua pani baako Alfred.
Yeah.
E ba bonten be ka say abusua no ahia. Na abusua no gidi say enwo say.
Wan ka so omo gidi so omo se on mabiem. Ana be ka so omo nyama hama.
Zata yi say omma.
Omo mabiem.
Ba so omo nyama hama.
Enti enra ni reasons ana omma astuni enti a wo san aba no. Na me tie pa. Se wanwie adwuma no. Ghana for the adwuma hye ne nsa na wo so ye wanwie. E wo so to adwuma no so. Nipa bebre se omra. Wahu se baby a ban yi de niema ekonemko yie. Eti e wo se obesom no to aso. Eno na ebi so ka se. Enti NDC amanyoku no mu no. Obi ani honomo a obetumi aye sa adwuma ni bi.
It depends.
If you say me captain ye mi suro wo mu ne se o mampani dada mama wo one term. Se simbra kuni no a amma ne ho kwan se wotumi ba no. Se no ne de ye adwuma one term. Eti se oba no betena so. Se be ye senye ye no. Obedi president a one term no obedi. E wo se NDC amanyoko no san penipa obesi o man na hu ana.
Omo ye strategic. One term no nye to a problem.
And you to a problem.
The problem you who will succeed him.
And no ni asem.
And says so mo per running mate one or you young. Younger than Mahama.
running mate or younger
than Mahama. Now, or yeah, intelligent, but not doing so near kakra. Because the kind of politics are pushy into USSR, people who are action oriented and young ones. Here you Macron here of France. So it tells you, say, they need Obia, obey the running meter, say, Uniwa, or 15, obey bam noko. Sentence are how
the truth, then they say, as we speak, CCR, NDC best bet. John Mahama. There is no doubt about that. Obia number one.
Mama knew why NDC and your party.
No. That's not the argument. You see, I say going into election 2020, Omo best bet. Say Omo betimi indeed Ediaji to me, John Mahama. And no, I know the in dispute. I be unfair.
Why number Joshua Labi wo Babin wo
oh.
Babin wo
yeah, but Inti I know you number one. Number two, I'm make NSA. CC ano John Mahama coming for 2020, no, only anything to lose. The NPP rather has a lot to prove by manifesto promise omu make here and omu delivery. No, the NPP has a lot to prove. Mahama has nothing to lose. Unim say NA say Mahama ko 2020. That's ultimate bridge gap, no. From a little close to 1 million. And the fan say Olusu 2020 by 100,000 voter. Obetimi claim the friend moral victory. Say oh me buy and my head metimi aya the gap am the man me try den etimi close until really only anything to lose.
So my name Alfred Abdullah Mahama. Embo enkomo oye omapeni dada Mahama nua kuma
Kuma mum.
Penny and Kuma.
Oh. And Alfred, what time in coming watching?
I'm a two Captain Smart. Good morning.
Good morning. Bibia Boko, dear.
Boko, and I'm a chair, a Tifuina.
Tifuina, and so, Ejo Sopa. Make I
Anna, me by yeah, Jimmy Post.
Come on, here. Yeah, 2 about you and check. Ene busuan mo ba bonte be ka se munua mo de hye mo de nyina ye mampani dada nya de a obesan aba biom ana se bia mo be pene ma na ba emienu no wa na abetimi a kire mu ye but enura wa ma yate ase se obesan aba biom ebusuan no mo beta na chi ana mo mpene so
oh ebusuan beta na chi papa ye busuan de say ye fa decision we are all committed to that decision. In the beginning, immediately after the elections, of course, we will say NIPA emotions ran high. So, Nyama Bibriwa, you would consider, and then if you did a reconsideration, we will say you look at it differently. But that notwithstanding, say the family alone. And definitely even within the family, we will say Binomo were approaching it with caution. And so emotions were high. But when you come to strike the average, you know happiness of now that considering the pressures and hindsight of a lot of things that might not have been done the way they were done, it's good to give him all the support and then heed to the calls of people from the constituencies. A lot of people were apprehensive, so there has been a lot of ease within the party. And I think it's good for the democracy of this country that a president who has been in and out of the system will have a better perspective of the economy and then the governance of this country. So, in fact, say the last time you 50%, this time you're on 90%. With all our strength and all our might.
Emrana Odi president, there was this accusation from your political opponent, or running a family and friends administration. Minim dia mo ye na ema mo ben a membo no mu bebre minim say Ibrahim ntio say ye wuntio say ye hwan ntio this time then mo be differently say bia mo ye bibia emma nipa ehunu say he would run in court family and friends administration.
Mr. to say it has been a serious misconception because Abraham brother Danny running mate or even vice president to President Atamels. Their family know we made a decision that Yemubia will not participate in active governance. That was an agreement we had because in Ghana and most West African countries, the tendency is only our bibimuna ye pese ye kan fear. It's easy to target you with your brother. So we made sure that none of us was in active politics. Now, Ibrahim was a special target because Obiafio said Ibrahim and a bankroller of John Mahama politics. That is wrong. Ibrahim is not the bankroller of Mahama's politics. It is a concerted family effort. And apart from that, there was this misconception that say Ibrahim here contracts and then if you check, Ibrahim is a private mining contractor. Wow. So this family and friends who decide, you see, a party will be like kind of family and friends, and yes, so. But if you do an assessment, you will see that the only blood member who was in the government was Joyce Muntari. And she, based upon her competence, we felt that at least somebody should be in there. If you leave her out, there is no member of Mahama family who was ever even a board member of any of the parastatals. Not even board member.
Not even a single family member.
None as board member. None. Everybody, Obia a private business person. So, some of us, our businesses suffered because of his presidency. Because if there was any choice to be made, and Alfred, I qualify for such a choice, because me and a brother, there's a tendency to give way to somebody else. Because Yabaka said, O'Brien, a president in the mouth. But before he became president, we were doing our businesses. What do you say? So sometimes a sacrifice that we have to make. And these are things we know. Even if he comes back, still we have to make those sacrifices. And I can tell you that it will still not be, it will never be a family and friends business. Family and friends, what family and friends mean. I'll put my brothers left and right. He won't do that. What was not good yesterday is still not good today.
And say we should for no more support when you are better man sell by Samba 2020.
100%.
All right. Alfred Anopebidasi, VBS Rebecca Savio.
Thank you, Captain Smart. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, sir. Alfred Abdullahi Mahama. Come body back no feel mambo.
Ebusiana Samba.
Ebusiana Samba.
Ebusiana
Samba. Dynamics necessary. But I think one point to make here is in the heat of election defeat, was not emotions the maybe or medical answer. But after consultations, there are the woman who said Oba Ebeboa. But Captain Uzana make a say former President Mahama anything to lose. MPP mum there were a lot to prove.
So
the key thing the message are NDC there, but what will be new? And only idea was party strategies ne kwatena se. Map out BB because Oyobia the difficulty for them and now Obi Kase Sanka and this is the new person buyer Oma with any baggage into Oba Oni Oma be Oma president that did go Onya Cas oh me ba me be ye way amount for den ejidi but sisi anu Mahama ba 4 years ago he was president into a man nkofo be compare na juma to the another
6 years ago
6 years ago absolutely now nkofo are compared to the another so in the first 4 years in the yes ana wo ba o message you know if there is nothing new it was a message no man here day but everyone on my hint in the Facebook video no of message on whatever say or share bibi ase when you in the Ocean about what it means is that it will center a lot more on infrastructure. It is a MPP, so in the next 2 years, yes, more infrastructure. What then happens? And then a better some message.
All right.
Gabito. Answer na ebekon mamema chumwa kechi TV Africa and then a birthday happy birthday kechi. Yankopon enka wo na unshaw.
Abiaze domina se hene na echina na ubebodwa ahoba abiaze ahoba kese festival no echina obebodwa kese pa di twato ewo abiaze me primary school hona na nyame ma wo kwatenten pa kan ho yie ho fedodo
ohina ne ho efe sa mamwe photo no
David Chande bodwa nkasa
na amamani no the festival ampa
ne ho fedodo picture we kura nyefe
nenyim da ho
se wo hia no wan hwa beka so yo ba ne ho fe abiaze domina se
okay kama
abiaze domina se hene ana
festival ne yesi abiaze ahoba kese okay
Abito Abiaze dominance central region
okay Abito fiale denti meko
send na what just na do please bebaso
Damreku ba wo
miracles
entry yakono
wato nyum ya miracles
entry yakono
or the microphone ba no ati ahwe wo
ono the mic Christians man no serious musician ba ko bi okuma so the mic Christian sem not to hwele nim din no cancel I don't have my mic in one. And I mean, church was 17 and can I want it? Quite pra Alex, who are melting kings, our United Kingdom, and your birthday. On him, Sechua say, I was so happy birthday. Why? And I am around. You try a corner. Yaba,